Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to get the PayPal client ID and the client secret. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to create a sandbox PayPal account. Okay, so let's create. I already created, so I don't need to create that one. So when you log in with this one, you have to go with the sign up. So currently I have already the account, so I will go with the login. Okay, so I'm going to log in with my sandbox PayPal account. I think it should not allow me to log in, I guess. No, it's a different one. So let me go with the developer account. Sandbox developer PayPal. Okay, so here we go with this one. Okay, so let me go and do the login. So let me control minus. So here we have the login. Okay, so let me log in with my account. So here we have the details. Let me log in. So here you can see that you have to go to that website, create the account. If you don't have, then come with this one. Then we have the app credentials. Okay, so here you can see that we have a client ID and the client secret. This is a sandbox mode. If I go to the live, to want to see the live data, upgrade to your account to the PayPal to pay for PayPal business to switch to the live mode. Okay, so you need to upgrade. We click on this upgrade now. So they need some of the information, so you have to put all this information, then you can go with the live. Okay, so currently I'm using the sandbox. So here we get the client ID and the client secret. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.